What is up, 7th grade? This is lesson 49. Objective is, how do you add and subtract mixed measures? Well, the main thing to remember when you're dealing with mixed measures is how many are in each unit. So like for instance, when we're talking about inches, we know that there's 12 inches in a foot. So if we get a number above 12, or if we get to 12, then we need to carry it over to the foot. And same thing with feet. There's 3 feet in a yard. So if we get to have 3 feet or more, then we carry it over into the yards category. So the first thing I want to do is just write these above each other. So I'm going to say 2 yards, 2 feet, and 8 inches. I just wrote this over there. So let's start at the right. 7 inches plus 8 inches is 15 inches. But 15 inches is more than 12. So I want to kind of subtract that 12, which is going to give me 1 foot 3 inches, right? 15 minus 12 is 3. Because of 3 inches, I'm going to carry the 1 foot up here. So I have 1 foot plus 2 feet is 3 feet, plus 2 more is going to give me 5 feet. Then 2 yards plus 1 yard is 3 yards. So my answer is going to be 3 yards, 5 feet, 3 inches. Here's another one. They already lined up here. Again, this is just dealing with seconds, minutes, and hours. Remember, there's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and then 24 hours in a day. So as I add the 35 and 50, I get 85 seconds, but I don't want 85. It's more than 60, so I got to say 85 minus 60. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 25 seconds here, and then that extra 60 seconds comes up here to become 1 more minute. So it's going to give me 6 minutes, 86 minutes, but again, I gotta subtract the 60, which is going to give me 26. So I need to have 26 minutes. That carries to 1 hour. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is going to be 4 hours, 26 minutes, 25 seconds. Subtracting is similar, except for I'm going to have to then borrow from the one to the left if your number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. So since I'm subtracting, I'm going to say 15 minutes minus 40 minutes. Well, I'm going to have to borrow, so instead of this being 10 hours, I'm going to make this 9 hours. And I'm going to add 60 minutes over here, so this is actually going to be 75 minutes minus 40 minutes is going to give me 5. 7 minus 4 is 35 minutes. Now I have 9 hours minus 15 hours, so I'm going to have to borrow from the days, making that 4 days, and add another 24. This is going to be actually together, it's going to be 33 hours minus 15. So it's going to be 2. 13 minus 5 is going to give me 8. 2 minus 1, 18 hours. 4 days minus 1 day is going to give me 3 days. 18 hours, 35 minutes. Let's try one more subtraction here. And that's what I'm going to rewrite. This is going to be 4 yards, 0 feet, and 3 inches, minus 2 yards, 1 foot, 8 inches. And we're subtracting. So I'm going to start over here at the right. 3 inches minus 8 inches means I'm going to need to borrow. This doesn't there's no feet to borrow from, so I'm going to come all the way over here to yards. So I'm going to change the 4 yards into 3 yards. And then that yard I've borrowed is going to be now 3 feet. But I need to borrow one of those, so it's going to be 2 feet. I'm going to add 12 inches, so it's going to be 15 inches altogether. This is 15 inches. Minus 8 inches is going to give me 7 inches. Now 2 feet minus 1 foot is going to be 1 foot. 3 yards minus 2 yards is 1 yard. So 1 yard, 1 foot, 7 inches. Your homework is down here on the left. Page 349 is where it starts. You can do the practice set, all the 49s, and 9 more of your choice.